So this kid literally made over $60,000 with a meme coin called Peanut the Squirrel. This kid literally made over $3 million with another meme coin called Chill Guy, which has just been a popular meme trending on TikTok and just about every social media platform. And lastly, my favorite KOL in the crypto space, Crashes Clay, who here shows a screenshot of over 5 million US dollars in Brett, which today is now worth over $10 million. So today I'm going to show you guys how to find and trade new launched meme coins so you could maybe find the next 100x coin. So first things first, most of all these meme coins are launched on Solana. So you are going to need to get a Phantom wallet. You can get it directly on your phone or on your laptop, whichever is easier. I do personally think that it is slightly easier to do it on your computer. So that is what I'm going to be showing you, but you can also do it directly on your phone as well. With Solana meme coins, you could either trade directly on your Phantom wallet or on a platform called Photon, whichever you prefer. I do think Photon is a little bit easier and has better deals with the fees, but you can also do it directly on your Phantom wallet. So either way, you are going to need some Solana. So once you have your Phantom wallet, whether it's on your phone or on your browser, whichever it may be, you are going to need to buy some Solana. So once you see your Phantom wallet, literally just go over here to buy, and the mobile Phantom wallet looks literally like this, which is why it's like in a portrait mode. So just hit buy, and you are going to want to click Solana. Now you can buy Ethereum if you want to trade Ethereum coins, but to be honest, most like 99% of these meme coins that are going crazy are on Solana. So that's what I'm going to do right now, just kind of run you through it. So I'm literally just going to get one Sol, which right now is about $260. And there's different ways to pay it. You could honestly transfer Sol from another wallet to this wallet, but I'm just going to show you how you can just do it directly here. So there's different ways to pay, and I'm just going to use Stripe because I think that's the easiest. Actually, MoonPay might be a better rate, but just kind of go figure out how you want to get your Solana on your Phantom wallet, because that is the first step before you do anything else. So I'm just going to kind of speed through this process to get my Sol on my Phantom wallet. Okay, so once you purchase your Solana, you probably have to give it a few minutes for the transaction to go through. But if I go to my Phantom wallet, I will come down and see that my one Sol is now here. So at this point, you now currently hold one Solana coin, however much you may have purchased. So all you have to do is basically click or tap if you're on your phone. And once you come into your Solana holdings, you are going to want to click swap, because when you swap every meme coin on the Solana chain, you need Solana to purchase it. So basically, you're now going to trade your Solana for that meme coin. So I'm going to hit swap, and I'm just going to reverse this to put my Solana on top. Now, on the top, this is going to show what you pay. So you are going to pay in Solana. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to put half a Sol. So half a Sol, however much that is. Now, here it says USDC. That's a stable coin, but just click this down arrow, and then all these coins are going to pop up. So I'm just going to type in Chill Guy because that has been the most popular coin recently. Now, whatever trade I make right now, do not just go and copy it. Just make sure you guys do your own research before you do anything, because remember, this is just a tutorial. So if I go hit just a Chill Guy, my Phantom wallet will now show that I am trading half a Sol, $130, and I will receive the Chill Guy meme coin. So this is basically all I'm doing. Hopefully I'm not blocking this, but down here it says review order. And as you can see, there's going to be a little fee that you're going to have to pay, and it's updating constantly because of the price is changing. $130 Solana. I'm actually only going to receive $128 in Chill Guy because there's just a little transaction fee and gas fee that happens on the Solana network. So I'm now going to hit review order. And when I hit review order, at the bottom, it is just going to show me once again how much I'm going to get. And here are the fees. The fee for using the Solana network is actually very cheap compared to Ethereum coins, which is why a lot of people use Solana. And then it's going to show my slippage, which you need. And then all you're going to do is just hit swap. Now, after you swap, you probably only have to wait a couple of seconds because that's how quick the Solana transactions are. But yeah, if I just go look on my Phantom wallet, I will see my Solana, my half is still remaining, and all the Chill Guy, the 461 Chill Guy coins that I bought. So now I have completed a full meme coin trade on my Phantom wallet, trading Solana for another coin. Okay, so that was trading on the Phantom wallet. Now I'm going to show you how to actually properly trade, which most people use is Photon. So first off, once you go to Photon on your browser, I highly recommend that you use it on a computer. You could do it on your phone, but it is way better on the computer. You are literally just going to come here and hit Connect Wallet. When you hit Connect Wallet, if you have the Phantom browser already here, a message will pop up and you're just going to hit confirm. And this is basically going to put your wallet, connect it to Photon so you could directly put Sol into your Photon to trade it on Photon. So I actually already have a Photon account. My wallet has just been connected. So I'm going to show you now how to put your Solana from your Phantom wallet to Photon, and I'm going to go through a live trade directly with you guys. So on Photon, on the top right here, you're going to click your little wallet management. And when you come over to your wallet management, it'll show you where you can now deposit. Now, remember, your Phantom wallet is connected to Photon. So all you have to do is go to specific amount. And if you remember, however much SOL you want to transfer, I had like 0.5 left. So I'm just going to put deposit 0.5 SOL. So now basically your Phantom wallet is going to send your Solana to Photon, which is basically kind of like another wallet, but it's used to trade a lot easier. That's what this whole platform is. So it's like sending your crypto from one wallet to another, where this platform is way easier to trade on. So I'm going to hit deposit. Now you're going to get a little pop-up from your Phantom wallet, and you are just going to click, I'm probably blocking this, but just go and click confirm, and then it will then transfer your Solana from your Phantom wallet to your Photon wallet so you can begin trading. All right, so now that you have Solana in your Phantom wallet, I'm going to show you what you should be looking for in certain meme coins to make sure you guys have the best chance of actually profiting and getting some good returns, because you have to be very careful on here. So I am currently just on the trending tab, and these are all just new meme coins that are trending and that have basically just launched, and their market caps are super, super low. But, you know, the lower the market cap, the more risky it is. So for this example, I'm just going to show you guys a meme coin that I have traded in the past, which is still a good meme coin that I would recommend. Obviously, do your own research. So I'm going to go to a coin called Ponky. But like I said, everything I'm going to show you with Ponky, these are some non-negotiables about the coin that you have to check before you trade any meme coin that you want to put a trade in. So now, once you click on the meme coin, the chart is going to pull up. And there's three things that you guys have to check. These are non-negotiables, and I'm going to explain why just a little bit. So first thing, on the right side, you're going to scroll down, okay? So hopefully I'm not blocking this. Go to your data and security. Check for these three things every single time. The mint authority must be disabled, your freeze authority must be disabled, and your LP burn must be a pretty high percentage. Basically, over 90% is good. So this basically just helps from the devs from rugging the coin and it going to zero. The mint authority is disabled, so they can't mint any more coins, which would change the whole entire market cap of it. And this coin, Ponky, has been around for a while now, so this has just been a proven coin that should do well this cycle. But like I said, any meme coin, especially the new ones, you have to check for these three things to just basically lower the chances of it rugging whatsoever and you just losing all your money on each trade. So these are three non-negotiables you have to check. So now I'm going to run you through a live trade on Ponky. And usually I really like to go over the charts and how I look at my fibs for each coin, but I don't really have the time to do that in this video. I'll make another video showing how I use my fibs and where to take trades and whatnot. But for now, I'm just going to show you a live trade on Ponky. So just looking at the chart, like I said, obviously this is the coin that I've done research on for months and months. If you just look at the chart, it does look very good. Stairway to heaven, in my opinion. Anyway, make sure you do your own research before you go into a coin. Now, to make a trade on the right side, you are literally just going to come down to the buy. And this platform is amazing because it makes it so easy. So I have 0.5 SOL. I'm just going to put 0.25 SOL in for this trade, and this literally says quick buy. So all you have to do is put how much SOL you want and then hit quick buy, and Photon will transact this trade in literally like a few seconds. So now I can come over to my holding tabs on the right. It will show me my Ponky trade right here. So now, once again, if I go on Ponky, obviously you want to know how to sell it, which is what I'm going to show you right now as well. So here it'll show me where I bought my Ponky. It gives you all the information that you need to know. And on the bottom, you could sell it. Now, the great thing about Photon, which I know a lot of people would like if they've traded anything before, is that you could set up a stop loss or take profit. Basically, if Ponky's price hits a certain market cap or whatever you want to go by, the Photon wallet will automatically put in the trade for you, which is awesome because you could be doing anything, anywhere, and if it starts to drop, you have your stop loss, boom, Photon does the trade for you. You don't got to worry about it. Same with the take profit. If you're waiting for the coin to, put in 25% profit, you can just put in 25%, up by market cap. I'll put this as take profit. So then when the coin passes that take profit level, whatever price the coin goes to, you don't have to do anything. Photon automatically puts in the trade for you. So this is why Photon is kind of awesome, because the coin at any random time, even when you're sleeping, could go up past a certain price and you might miss that take profit. So putting in a take profit level and stop loss is really good on Photon, which is what I like. So I can put it in right now. If the market cap goes up by, let's say, 10%, I will sell, 100% of my coins, and I'll take that 10% profit on this trade. And you could change it to, 50% of how much you own at that point or whatever. So I'm just going to put in sell 100%, and I can create that order. So once I go look here, I can see my line, my take profit. So once Ponky hits $384 million market cap, it will basically sell everything that I have, and I'll be able to take profit. Now, if you just want to sell right now, basically just hit sell now, and then you put how much you want to sell. You can put 100 in, and then I can just do a nice quick sell on Ponky. I'm not going to do that right now because I kind of actually want to wait for that 10% gain for Ponky to hit before I actually sell anything. So that's basically a live trade that I just went through you with Ponky. Hopefully that made it kind of easy to understand what is going on and how to use some of these tools and basically what to watch out for in any meme coin that you want to trade. So I hope everything in this video really explains a lot to everyone who's just kind of starting out in crypto or trading and just wants to get in the meme coin space. I'm going to be making more videos in the future, just explaining more kind of beginner level info and some more higher level info for everyone in the crypto space as well. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a comment, like it, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.